There are many ways to market your dental practice. Broadly, we can group them into three distinct efforts. The first and most conventional method is what we'll call traditional marketing. This is newspapers and magazines, the yellow pages, billboards, postcards, etc. The second frontier is online. Perhaps your practice has a website. Maybe you've dabbled with Twitter or Facebook or other social media. The third and least discussed method to market your practice is through insurance. Now, most dentists don't think of their insurance participation as marketing, but it most certainly is. Why else would you accept a discount for your services? Only for the opportunity to see and treat more patients. Well, if insurance participation is marketing, how often does your practice measure return on investment? How often do you calculate the cost versus the benefits? Certainly, if you were running a billboard, you'd be looking at how many new patients came in through that billboard. Why aren't you doing the same thing for your insurance? If you want to optimize your insurance and align your network participation with your goals for the practice, Five Lakes can help. Through our proprietary insurance analysis, you will learn many things. Specifically, where your production comes from, how much production you can estimate per insured patient, the appetite for dental services in your area, which networks provide the best value for your practice, which fees can we renegotiate to provide the maximum return and the maximum amount of production, how many fee-for-service patients would it take to replace production lost if you were to eliminate a network, how to scale your insurance participation to minimize the loss of both patients and production, and how many employees with each insurance company are reachable from your practice. Now, this is an invaluable tool for a lot of different types of dentists. Specifically, let's look at four. The first would be a startup practice. It's the quickest and most cost-effective way to generate an initial patient base. Growth-focused practices also find this analysis valuable because it helps them expand their patient base, identify new marketing opportunities, and maximize fees through a renegotiation with carriers. Any practice trying to move to a more full fee-for-service environment would find this beneficial because we can prioritize networks and give you a scalable timeline to move off each insurance network as they're ranked by value to the practice. In doing that, we can calculate the required increase in the number of fee-for-service patients before leaving a network. Lastly, in practice transitions, both buyers and sellers can benefit from this analysis. Buyers benefit because it helps them understand specifically what type of practice they're buying, not just the number of patient records. Likewise, we include a competitive analysis which shows purchasing dentists what competitors are doing in that marketplace, specific to the location of the dental office. Sellers also benefit by increasing the value of their practice. Running this analysis uncovers a number of opportunities that provide actionable items to increase the practice value. What we've essentially done is create a Carfax of dental practice production. If you are interested in learning more or want to begin your customized insurance analysis, call us today at 214-587-3708.